Onye na-arị ego kpọjiri Ofe Owerri. Onye na-arị ego kpọjiri Ofe Owerri. So today I decided to make Ofe Owerri. And if you are from Owerri in Imo State, you already know this soup is not for the weak, especially your pocket. If you know, you know. If you don't have money, I beg, avoid this soup because the ingredients alone can make you rethink your life choices. I didn't even use much of ingredients. I just used my basic ingredients. Some people used to put so much orishi inside this soup, but this is the one I can afford and I use it well. So after putting all those things, okay, before then, you saw me squeezing out palm fruit. Yes, I decided to use palm fruit because I did not want to hear stories or the taste is not or the corona. No, I just want to get the real taste of this Ofe Owerri. These days, I honestly don't trust the palm oil people sell. So I decided to make mine so that I know what exactly I'm eating. This is not just the taste, even the color of your soup. It will make your soup look bright. Not having oil one side and this other one side. That's why I like using palm fruit for my cooking. Can you see how it's looking? So at this point, I've put my cocoyam for thickening. So after it has boiled and thickened the soup, I put crayfish for taste. Then after a while, I come back and put Ozeza leaf. This Ozeza leaf have a unique taste that it adds to any soup you put it into. Okay. Well, when it had boiled, they proceeded to put okazi leaf. Basically, this Ofe Owerri has to do with 3 leaves. Ozeza, okazi leaf, and the last one should be your ugu leaf. So after putting this okazi leaf, I allow it to boil for some time. Then I'll proceed to put ugu leaves. So after the ugu leaf, you allow it to boil a little and you bring down the pot and serve. My mother is from Emekuku in Owerri, and I can confidently say that I'm Owerri. But I wonder why she rarely makes this soup when we were at home. We rarely eat this kind of soup when we were at home. So this is my first time trying it after seeing the recipe, and I can really say that this is the best soup I've ever tasted. It's even better than Oha soup. Honestly, my children, everybody in the house enjoyed it and they want more of it. Can't you see how beautiful this soup is looking? Can't you see? The beautiful is looking is how tasteful it is. So if you've ever tasted Ofe Owerri before, tell me what you love eating it with. And if you've never tried it before, would you give it a chance? Don't forget to like, follow, share for more delicious recipe.